going on, guys? Got a no cooling call, and we got the thermostat on, fan set to auto, 76 in here, and we're set at 72. And I have no indoor fan. The outdoor unit's working fine. I got the cover off here, and I'm gonna check the capacitor first because I had already jumped out. I pulled the thermostat off, jumped out the fan, and got nothing. So we will check the capacitor here. Okay, you want to get your pliers on both ends of the capacitor here to take any charge that's in it out of it, and pull your terminals off. Okay, got the meter set to capacitance. And this is a 7.5, so we're looking for a 7.5 or within 5%. And we are reading 6.77, so that capacitor is weak. Within 5%, you probably wouldn't want that to be any lower than like a 7.1, 7.2. That's borderline. I would probably even replace it at 7.1. So we're at a 6.7. So I'm gonna go get another 7.5 capacitor for the fan motor and change it out. Okay, we got our new capacitor here. Let's test it out, make sure it's good. We're looking for a 7.5, and we got a 7.49, so we got a good one. And I'm also in the process of cleaning the coil too. Sprayed the green coil cleaner on it, and just gonna rinse it off. It's a no rinse, but just gonna rinse it to make sure everything's good on it. So get that capacitor out, get it switched out. Okay, put the new one in. Alright, we're all set. Now I'm just going to finish cleaning the coil here. This is just water in here, just a little pump sprayer. Rinse it off. hear it draining. So we know the drain's open. Now our coil's all nice and clean. Okay, got a new filter to go in. Okay, now I just gotta put the cover on and we'll fire it up, see if it starts up. Okay, I got the cover back on and we'll turn the breakers back on. Okay, thermostat still on, cool. Set the auto and set it 72. All right. All right, I hear the refrigerant moving. And there's the indoor blower motor. So, bad capacitor. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.